Hey guys, back here again. I have some Pokemon to open up this time. I got my hands on some Stormfront blisters and a Legends Awakened blister. So let's get right into it. Let's start with Legends Awakened. I haven't opened these in a long time, so hoping for something really good. Or at least a holo. So, don't know if it's still the same trick, but we'll do it anyway. Alright, we have Shinx, Meowth, Chinchou, Oddish, Gloom, Unknown Y, Cynthia's Feelings, Marowak. There's Probopass, and that is a rare, so I love the reverse rares. And a Shedinja. So, got a reverse rare. I'm very happy about that. I love reverse rares, so I got a nice little collection of them going right now. And then we have our two Stormfront packs. And there we go. Let's start with this one, Infernape. Alright. There we have a Truby, Magikarp, Starly, Magnemite, Pikachu, Grovyle, a Luxury Ball, Farfetch'd, a Reverse Starly, and Amethyst-Snow. And here's our other Stormfront. Alright. We have Voltorb, Combee, Ghastly, Swinub, Machop, Piloswine, a Cyclone Energy, Skarmory, an awesome reverse Scyther. That's just an uncommon, but that's an awesome looking Scyther. And a Holo Torterra. So, not too bad of pulls. Very happy with the reverse holo, the Scyther, and the Torterra holo here. So, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later.